Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Todoist project planning, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.todoist.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the Todoist website. On the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to a login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the corresponding password field. If you prefer, you can check the box for Remember Me to stay logged in. Once all information is entered, click on the login button to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Todoist dashboard. Here, you can view your projects and tasks. To create a new project, click on the Projects section in the left sidebar. Then, click the Add Project button. Type in the name of your new project and select a color if desired. Finally, click Add to save your new project. You are now ready to start planning and organizing your tasks in Todoist. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.